And good day. Today we're having a look at my Logitech, the C270. It finally got here. I've been waiting a little while, and here it is. This is going to be connected to my Octoprint for the 3D printers. So I'll open it up and we'll have a look inside. I'll just grab my knife and see how we can do this. Is that way? There we go. What have we got in here? We've got some instructions, it looks like. We've got USB. And there it is, there's a little camera itself. So I'm rather looking forward to setting all this up. It's been quite a while, and yeah, we'll see how it performs. It's supposed to be a 3 megapixel 720p camera, and I have seen very good results with other people using them, so I'm hoping to have equally as good results. We've got our little instruction manual here, and as usual I'll let you have a quick look at it. Looks like there's only one page in English, the rest is in whatever languages we've got, Chinese and whatever. I don't read them, so I can't comment on them. And we've got what's that? It's obviously instructions showing you how to connect it. The fact that it can be rotated, and what's this? This is looks like a warranty card, perhaps. I don't know. Doesn't matter. Hopefully I'll never need it. Anyway, that's that. That was a very quick review, wasn't it? Okay, I've got my little Logitech camera sitting here. Now I'll just plug it in, and it should recognise it fairly quickly, which it has. And if we type in Logitech over here, I've already installed the software, and there's a Logitech camera popping up there, and we'll just have a quick capture, and there it is, fully functioning. Hey, I'll just see if I can get myself in there. Hey, how you going? Whoa, wave. My hand's in the wrong spot. There you go. Whoa. Okay, now just to show you that the other camera is also functional, I'll just type in camera, and this is the internal camera, so you can see that both of them are now fully functioning, so I can look at myself. I wonder if I can turn it around. There you go, there's a camera in a camera. I thought I'd set the two cameras up side by side so you can actually get an idea of the quality between the two. The Logitech C270 is definitely clearer than my Dell internal camera. That's much sharper than the other one. It may not show up properly on the camera that I'm using, but trust me, it is definitely sharper. I thought it only fair to test out the Logitech C270 to see what the quality of the camera actually is. You're listening to the audio quality that's coming from the actual camera itself, and hopefully it should be a bit better than the little laptop that I'm using, the Dell laptop. The quality of audio on that's, it's okay, but it's nothing special. And as I've already seen earlier, and you would have seen as well, the quality of the video is quite impressive. I must admit that. So hopefully this will set up and work extremely well with my setup for the printers, which is going to be the Raspberry Pi 3, the other wonderful little thing called Octoprint, which makes it all possible, and I'll be able to control the actual system through Wi-Fi. And yeah, you'll have to watch another video to see how that's all done, because at the moment I'm only showing you that I've got my Logitech. It finally came, and I'm rather happy. I've been waiting for this for a very long time. I didn't think it was going to get here at one stage. Anyway, thanks for watching.